Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us, tmosso@the1916company.com for purchase, pricing, and availability questions. Today we're discussing a watch that debuted as you see it here back in 2013 with eggshell dial and a red gold case. This is the Jaeger-LeCoultre Master Ultra-Thin Perpetual Calendar. It's of the same generation as the well-known Dr. Strange, which means it's 39 millimeters in diameter, 9.5 millimeters thick, 45.7 lug-to-lug tip, with a 21 millimeter spacing between the lugs. So JLC learned a lesson from its 2000 complications, which often gave good value for the complexity offered, but they were also fairly large, thick, and the case lines were somewhat brutal. So the Master Ultra Thin collection began to incorporate lessons learned, and doing so in the 2010s, in the first half of that decade. So we have finer, leaner, more elegant case lines, and altogether a watch that is easier to wear. Now the strap is stiff, but you can still see on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, it's an easy fit. I would recommend this watch for a wrist as small as 14 centimeters circumference. It's thinner than it looks, and it has a sloped case flank, so it will slide underneath the dress cuff. I'm pulling the strap fairly tight here, but you can see the definitive down the barrel angle shows I've got plenty of clearance on both sides. The watch is comfortable, and the strap is substantial. Large, symmetrical, rectangular scales, always indicative of an expensive cut of the animal. And then we've got a little bit of bolstering, give it some volume, a monotone stitch, and an edge that is shear cut and then lacquered for refinement. On the bottom, calf skin. Probably a Camille Fournet OEM strap, so a factory strap with no crimping and no gouging. Pull tab spring bars, so you can pop the strap off the case without tools. And a simple JLC branded rose gold pin buckle. Take a look at those lugs. Elegant, graceful, tapered, curvaceous, and complex. There's a little bit of a soft bevel on the side, but it's not very pronounced. It's there, but it whispers rather than shouts. There's a single point of adjustment on the case flank. This is the IWC Kurt Klaus mechanically programmed perpetual calendar. IWC incorporates adjustment via quick set in the crown. JLC has found that a lot of people will be trying to set the time or wind the watch and wind up flying forward days or even weeks because the calendar is unidirectional. You can't turn it back. So JLC's preference is to separate calendar setting from winding and time setting so you don't make mistakes. It works the same way in that it's programmed. So let's say you fall 5 days behind, you press this 5 times. Now everything, date, 8 month, leap year, the moon phase, even the years indicated will advance correctly and in sync. So you never need to look up the combination of moon phase and date. Also, you can see that there's a danger zone window at center with little windows in the hands. So you can see when you are within the hours during which you should not use the quick set for correcting the calendar. You see how as we approach midnight, that little window turns dark? That means you do not want to use the pusher adjuster, the dimple adjuster, to correct the calendar until that dark panel clears completely. We have a moon phase. It has an adjustment interval of once every 122 years, but we also have a perpetual calendar, and this perpetual calendar system can deal with leap years, irregular length months. You will not need to have it factory reset until the year 2100. The year and the decade are automatically adjusted by the movement. If you need to adjust the century, then that will be done during service as the disc will be moved manually. We have this lovely eggshell dial with a matte texture and a handsome off-white tone, Dauphine hands at center. Note that they're half frosted to make for better contrast and easier reading. We have a dimple-style minutes and seconds track outboard, a fired blue counterweighted Lancet-style seconds hand, and then beautiful symmetry to the dial. With the exception of the year display, it has bilateral symmetry and almost cruciform symmetry in that you could almost split it top to bottom and it would be very close to the same. We have faceted rose gold dart style polished indices, and yes, the watch does feature a stop seconds function, so you can set this perpetual calendar to intervals as small as 1 second. Flip it all over. Automatic winding by unidirectional action because JLC has found that to be more efficient. Here you can see we have caliber 868. Now, it rolls on ceramic bearings, so between ceramic ball bearings and unidirectional winding, a very efficient winder. This was before JLC started decontenting movements. You could see it's still adjusted to 6 positions with the adjustment listed, and we still have a 22 karat mass on the rotor, not 21, not 18. and not rose gold plated tungsten. So we have the full fat 22 karat mass on the rotor, and we still have 6 position adjustment, one better than chronometer. 46 joules, 4 hertz beat rate, 38-hour power reserve with perpetual calendar and moonphase. You can see it features a free sprung balance for better shock resistance and a KIF style shock protection system, because that was along JLC's way. We have a combination of circular and linear stripes, engine turning on the base plate. The screws are genuine fired blue screws, and the watch is surprisingly water resistant down to 50 meters. Now, don't swim with it, but that's still a lot more than the dress watch standard of 30 meters. It has been through the 1,000 hours control, and that means 1,000 hours of testing over 41 days as a fully cased up watch in 6 positions for chronometry, yes, but also water resistance, durability, winding efficiency, and power reserve. So it is a comprehensive test of the watch, and my understanding is a watch like this would probably be held to a tolerance between +6, -1 second, something right around there, with time gain more tolerated than loss, which is often the case in adjustment of watches. So if you love this watch and you want something a little bit more opulent than Dr. Strange in red gold here with eggshell dial, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.